Yes, some people. Just put out a just done deal with a video a while ago. I'm not put it up, I'm not upload it yet. But my reason with my lady. And my lady said, why Jamaican people not protest no more? She live overseas now, so she said, why Jamaican people not protest no more? And it just inspired me to do that video. Because I figure it out. You know, it's good when you communicate. You know why Jamaican people not protest no more? Because them not care no more. Jamaican people just not care. As long as Jamaican people can find something to eat and can survive, you know, survive off of the look where them have. And I really say some of them not care. Some of them do care. But them can't bother with going up on the road and try to protest. And then next thing soldier come down upon them and the beating and the this and the that. Right? So some of them just don't care. A lot of them can't find it, yo. F the others. Right? So that's a part of the reason there. As I say, some people now feel like go through the hustling. So that's why people not protest no more. Them two reasons them come up with. So if you can come up with some other reasons, let me know in the comment section. But me, I would gladly protest. And people say, yeah, them are protest. But don't be one of the first one out there. Trust me. As soon as some group of people say, yeah, me out there with me sign. Right? And I say, me I fight against no one, you know. Because me honestly beg people to vote for the government when in power. Not this time, but the time before. Yeah, man. Beg people for vote. Because me believe in him. And you know, me and a man have all a reason just what there. And a man look like some politician. Him look like some people here. Not politician, but him look like some die-hearted. Like he used to be some die-hearted. But listen to him conversation, me find out say him say him brother die-hearted. And him, no, anybody will come, we're going to run the country good, him all with it. Right? Him say he was convinced by this man. When the man say, you're going to be able to sleep with the door open. Him saying they believe it. Him saying believe everything what the man say. So him vote. Him say this time him don't vote. Right? Him say this time him don't vote. So, me say that if you say this, you see, me not fight against no one in a matter which one I party them. As long as a person I will care about the people them, I'm all for it. I'm ready to vote for that person will care. Labour, right, PMP, anybody. Once you care about the people them, I'm all for it. Look where I go on in the country right now. Yeah, we are going through a pandemic. And we understand, say, yeah, we need to do certain things. But if you don't really look into it, I will let in the tourists them. And when I hear nobody I take the blame and I say, yeah, you know, I may make a wrong move. Right? Who let in the tourists them? Or when we there, I say, boy, look how we sacrifice and know him letting it foreigners them to come in with the virus. Why we couldn't do it like we came and do? Alright, people. You see, if some people don't know where I'm going, alright, I tell you now. Cayman Island been free, walk around free for months. Probably over 4 months now. Cayman people them are walk, Cayman Islands. People them are walk around free. No social distancing, no mask. Because anyone who come into the country, they have to stay in our hotel and do them thing at the hotel until them free. Get all clear for going to the country. Why if the government need do that? We they are the good. But you see, some people in a matter where them see where you see people. You see when you vote. You see when you vote a cause. So a man go up on top of one building where they want to jump off. Him jump off. Him name dead. I hope them give him good care, medical care, mental care. See another man climb the light post. We don't know what happened. Check it out on my video. Alright? We don't know what happened to him. Quiet show us in private. Electrocuted. And dead. You think me not feel the pressure? Me I feel the pressure. That's why I do this video. Me I feel the pressure. Alright? Everybody I feel the pressure. Trust me. Everybody I feel the pressure. When I say everybody, I mean majority of the country. People, why Jamaica is really a place where put the pressure upon you. No matter how you try hard to make it, somewhere it will put on some pressure upon you. It will put on the pressure upon you. And the government now understands say, the older you get, the more you try to run from pressure. But yet still, if you go for up my bank account, pressure reach you. If you have your money in your bank and you visit it for a while, it lock down. So now you have, you see, pressure. You know? It's just a country built on pressuring the people them. As when my lady said to me what there, say Jamaica create soldiers. Some of them don't want to be no soldier. Some of them don't want to be no soldier, none at all. Don't create me into a soldier. Me too old to be a soldier. I don't want to be a soldier. You see, that's why we need to protest. We need to protest about all of these things. These banks where take away your money. These insurance company will not pay up when you get in an accident. I go up on 2 years now. Somebody just lick up in my car. And in 2 years I go up and forget the money. So that means that me if you work for 2 years. Where government there? You see? We the farmers, people are going to a field and a rip off a field. And what happen? Then can take free food and go sell it. And the government I think say yo, then can come up with a way where every farmer, anybody will buy anything from anybody for show ID. Get information. So you see, it's just pressure. But my people, I hope and I pray to God the Almighty to just intervene. Just intervene. Jamaica need to intervene right now because it's getting too hard. I'm me alone. My kids them live in America. And if me I feel it so. If me I feel it so, you can imagine a woman with a 6 feet. You can imagine people that have to take care of them parents and them grandparents. Yes, one of the cause will vote for the Prime Minister again. Yes, one of the cause. 5 more years. $5,000. $1,000 a year. When you feel so, you should take that money there and vote. When you see nothing happening in the first 5 years. And you vote again. When you sensible. So my people, I jump off of this. What I always say, my people, be blessed. One God.